Hello everyone, today on Frank Visits, I visit the Noguchi Museum in Costa Mesa, California. So it's not really a museum, but it's like more of like an art structure. I guess these guys are like a really famous artist. People know about the Last Supper, but people don't know about the second to Last Supper. This is the table that was used for it. So Jesus ate here, some of his disciples ate here. So this water slide is from ancient Mayan times. So this was like 550 BC. Climbing up is a bitch though. Like they could build this, but they didn't know how to build a ladder. So they actually made elevators instead. Ladders are too complicated, elevators are easier for them. This bank has actually been here since, I think, 1902. I'm just guessing, I actually don't know that one. I think this is featured on No Strings Attached. These trees are actually pretty wild, in the sense that they're actually wild. So this is the views. King George the 17th supposedly built this as well because he wanted to overlook his moat with his water slide. So he had this when he was like 11 years old. His mother, Queen Elizabeth, actually gave it to him as a present. Okay, so over here is the Great Pyramids. As you can see, these pyramids were actually built around the same time as the Great Pyramids of Giza. So these can be rumored to be like 10,000 years old. But this one's cool because they actually have a real life pharaoh inside, but he only comes out on Halloween to scare people. There's a celebrity sighting. I don't know if you guys know Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. This is like an ancient game. They used to play this back in the days of the Mayans. These things only grow near the Pacific Ocean because this is actually two tectonic plates spreading apart, forming like a mini volcano. People come here to like smoke weed, hookah, maybe have a few brewskis. So this is an old school coffin. There are actually real life giants here. There's a mummified giant in there. Real life scenery from Phoenix, Arizona. These here are Christmas lights. So they're natural Christmas lights. Another one. And another one. Thank you for watching this episode of Frank Visits. Love you all. Namaste. Peace.